It has been 50 years since India began her journey into space. What you are about to see is a humble attempt to showcase this remarkable voyage led by the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. The story began in April 1975 with the launch of India's very first satellite, Aryabhata. And here's a fascinating fact. One of our early satellites, Apple, was actually transported on a bullock cart. From 1975 to 2010, ISRO launched a series of satellites with different purposes. INSAT and GSA for communication, IRNS for navigation, and AstroSat, our first dedicated astronomy satellite. Along the way, India also developed its own launch vehicles, SLV, PSLV, and GSLV, that made these missions possible. In recent years, ISRO has moved on to even more complex missions. The Mars Orbiter mission, Mangalyaan, stunned the world with its success at a fraction of the cost of similar missions. It was famously described as cheaper than an auto rickshaw ride at just 7 rupees per kilometer. Then came the proud moment of Chandrayaan-3, when India made a historic soft landing on the south pole of the moon, an unexplored region. The lander deployed a rover that went on to confirm the presence of water on the lunar surface. Notice the 5 Lagrange points marked on the Aditya model. These points remain stationary with respect to moving bodies in space. The Aditya L1 mission was positioned exactly at the L1 point to observe the sun continuously and send valuable images back to Earth. Another milestone was SpadeX, where ISRO successfully demonstrated the docking of 2 satellites in orbit, an achievement that made India only the 4th nation in the world to do so. And the journey doesn't stop here. The future holds even more ambitious plans. There's NISAR, a joint mission with NASA for advanced Earth observation. Shukrayaan, a planned mission to study Venus. Gaganyaan, which will put Indian astronauts into space, making India the 4th country to achieve human spaceflight. And in the coming years, India will also build its very own space station, the Bharatiya Antariksh Station. But these missions are not just about exploring space. They touch our daily lives through weather forecasting, satellite navigation, entertainment, disaster management, and mapping. Initiatives like Bhunidhi, Bhuvan, and Gagan provide Earth observation, 2D and 3D imagery, and navigation support. ISRO also reaches out to the younger generation through programs like Yuvika, IRS, and Space on Wheels, nurturing scientists and explorers of tomorrow. From Aryabhata to the upcoming Bharatiya Antariksh Station, ISRO's journey is a story of innovation, perseverance, and national pride. A story that